Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to your favorite place to be, where we're going to be doing a video on the Zcash Grayscale Holding Trust. As you guys know, or as you now, yesterday Grayscale came public on their X account to let everybody know in the investment world that Zcash Holding Trust is going to be open for private placement. We're going to dive into kind of what that means, why that could be bullish for Zcash, even though the NAV price is currently trading above market price, which is typically a bearish scenario. We're going to break that down for you in this video to get you guys to understand why this is happening, what it means for Zcash moving forward, at least from an investment standpoint, and give you guys a clear understanding of how to interpret this data as it's becoming public information. So first off, guys, go ahead and let me know. Post this video if it's helpful. That would be the best thing you could do. It's even better than liking the video. So basically, zcsh is the Grayscale Holding Trust for Zcash. You guys don't know what that is. It's basically a stock that you can. It's an over-the-counter stock that you can invest in. And we're not going to go specifically into too deep on what exactly the mechanics are behind it. We'll touch on it a little bit, but basically, in simple terms, if you're into crypto, um, it makes sense to look at what companies are pushing for certain specific investment vehicles to enter their hands in the crypto space. And for Grayscale is one of the biggest ones. I think it is the biggest ones. They have over 51 billion in assets under management, and they have dozens of trusts now from Bitcoin Cash, Grayscale, Litecoin Grayscales that have been around for several years, Zcash as well. Ethereum Classic Grayscale, which was like one of my best performing investments of all time. But anyways, so what's going on here, guys, is basically you have a company that is basically hanging on to a share or a portion of Zcash. They're allocating their liabilities and everything and basing it, um, basing like giving you and I like a stock to invest in, where you actually don't hold the crypto, but you get exposure to the crypto. So basically, for Zcash, in simple terms, it would just be the price of Zcash, the actual cryptocurrency, which I think is about $139. We've had a crazy week on it, times 0.0819929. And that would give you your NAV price per share. So the NAV price per share is like the intrinsic value, basically, of the stock. It's a representation of like, you take away all the liabilities, you take away all the all the BS, you're left with the NAV price per share. So basically, that NAV price per share is about $10.80. Currently, the actual stock is actually trading almost a dollar under that, a little more than a dollar under that actually. I think it's trading at like 9.70. So right now, market price is trading at a discount, which is typically in the investment world viewed as a bearish thing, right? But it's kind of hard to gauge in the crypto world with these over-the-counter stocks, especially for Grayscale, because we've gone so bullish almost overnight with Zcash. So it's kind of changed the paradigm here quite a bit. Because if we zoom out, for a while, the NAV price, market price was trading above NAV for like quite a while, for a few months, all the way back till um, it looks like in May there was a discount, a little bit of a discount, and there's a little discount here and there, but for the most part, up till recently, the NAV price was trading at the market price was trading above NAV. It was trading at a premium. We saw this back in 2024, and I'll zoom out here to show you guys. We saw this really hardcore happen here back in 2024, back over here. So let me just kind of try to scoot over. Sorry, I got lost here. But basically, in March of 2024, we saw this happen with a couple stocks, Zcash, LTCN, not stocks, but Grayscale holding trusts that are giving you exposure to these crypto assets. We saw it with Litecoin, LTCN, we saw it with Bitcoin Cash, BCHG, and we saw it with ZSCH, um, ZCSH, I'm sorry, Zcash holding trust. We saw it pretty aggressively, right? Like this is a massive premium. And it's kind of ironic because today we're kind of trading at the same spot we were at that premium date, but yet the price of Zcash here was only like $35. So we were trading at a massive, as you see, a massive premium right here. We were trading at, you know, $9. So this is a massive premium. So obviously, this was incredibly bullish. It did not last, all right? It did not last. It was basically, I think it was people manipulating the low trading volume on these Grayscale stocks. But, you know, you'd have to really back that up with some math. I don't have that math in front of me right now. But we had this huge run up. We literally were trading at a premium for almost this entire time till this year, really. This year is kind of when that kind of changed. We started kind of flip flopping around here. The NAV price, which, like I told you, is the 0.082 approximately times the price of Zcash. It kind of started changing a little bit here this year. And then here more recently, over the last month, we'll zoom in here, just over the last few days, really, we've seen the market price now trading at a discount to NAV, right? We're almost $1 under discount. And it's ironic because Grayscale has now opened the door for private placement to essentially invest in this stuff, hold it for a certain period. You have to find, I'll have to make another video on the holding period. Typically, the original one's for a year, but I don't know. That does change. You know, those do change. We've seen these unlock periods aggressively affect the NAV price, right? Or not, sorry, the market price, trading at a premium or discount. So I just want to let everybody know about this. Obviously, it's not like a you know, it's just kind of an interesting phenomenon to see just as the last couple of days have unfolded that we were trading so close to NAV on the market price, like almost identical. We've seen this type of trading behavior in ETCG specifically because that's when I followed the most in 2021. I got the most gains ever out of any investment out of that specific stock. And, you know, it's a phenomenon that is interesting to look at. I do think when the private placement does pile in, we are going to see the market price exceed NAV price per share, which could be, well, then will be a very bullish sentiment for the overall view of Zcash because like it's been at premium the entire time. Market price has been trading above premium, above NAV for pretty much the entire time up till this year. And now here we are super bullish with Grayscale market price at a somewhat of a discount. So if people are looking for a discount on a specific stock right now, by all market dynamics, it is going to be this ticker up here, zcsh. And again, this is not you holding cryptocurrency, but you're getting exposure to Zcash in the form of a stock. We're going to be doing some more videos. I'm going to be looking into LTC and Bitcoin Cash, Grayscale, and maybe some Filecoin G in some future videos. But I wanted to do a video tonight, and looks like we didn't even show you the graph. But yeah, graph right here, obviously giving you a lot of information. Here it is all on their website. And, you know, like I said, trading at a discount. If we zoom out, this is just only happened this year, really. Other than that, we've been at a premium the entire time. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Take care.